Hey, Paula Williams with ABCI. Just wanted to share a couple of things. It is the week between Christmas and New Year's. Hopefully, you've had some time to enjoy some events with your friends and family and other things. In the aviation industry, a lot of us work with our families and a lot of us work in what we love. So it's a great time to reflect on all of that and the reasons that we have to be grateful. I also wanted to share a couple of things. This is the time of year when we're getting printed calendars. This one is from Aeris Aviation from Tim Bonnell. It's a Ghost Warbirds calendar with really, really big, really beautiful images and big spaces to write in. I think this is a really smart marketing idea because people hang this in their office and they're reminded of you every time they look at the calendar. ABCI, of course, also has a printed calendar that we send to our clients. We didn't do this for a number of years, but we've gotten back to it because we've had some requests and because we really do think it's great marketing. It does take a lot of planning on our part to put this together because we included not only our workshops and courses and book club discussions and everything else, but also our clients' birthdays. We like to take the opportunity to introduce them to each other, with a nice social post on their birthday, talking about who they are and what they do so that they have an opportunity to meet each other during the year. So that's always a nice opportunity as well. So we love printed calendars. We love sending them. We love getting them. And I'm a advocate alumni of Franklin Covey. You probably all, I mean, I've shown my Franklin planner in a lot of the things that we've done, just because I think digital is great, but I always finalize everything in writing the day before. And that's been such a really big strategic and tactical advantage for me to do that kind of preparation. And having a pen in your hand and a calendar really is a very powerful thing to block out time for what's the most important for you. And that includes spending time with family, spending time with friends, doing those holiday events, and getting those things accomplished that matter the most to you. So anyway, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next week.